30 types of doctors and their duties. Let's begin the video. Dermatologist. Dermatologist diagnoses and treats skin, hair, and nail conditions. They perform cosmetic procedures and addresses issues like acne, skin cancer, and aging skin. The next type of doctor, gynecologist. Gynecologist specializes in women's reproductive health, focuses on the female reproductive system, and they provide parental care and family planning services. The next type of doctor is cardiologist. The cardiologist is an expert in the cardiovascular system, treats heart and blood vessels diseases. They manages conditions such as heart attacks and hypertensions. And the doctor who manages all these things is known as cardiologist. The next doctor, ophthalmologist. Ophthalmologist, he diagnoses and treats eye diseases. They perform eye surgeries as well, and they manages conditions like cataracts and glaucoma. The next type of doctor is orthopedic surgeon. Orthopedic surgeon treats musculoskeletal conditions. They perform joint replacement surgeries and they manages issues like fractures and arthritis. Right? The next type of doctor. Friends, if this video is helping you, then please do support us by liking and subscribing our channel. Let's continue. General practitioner, GP. This doctor is known as primary care physician. He provides general medical care and preventive services. And they are also known as first point of contact for most health concerns. Right? Let's move on to the next type of doctor, and that is pediatrician. Pediatrician specializes in children's health. They care for infants to young adults. They monitors child development and administers vaccinations. Right? So let's move on to the next type of doctor. He is ENT specialist. We call as otolaryngologist. The ENT specialist or otolaryngologist is the doctor who focuses on head and neck conditions. He addresses hearing and balance issues, and they also treats conditions like sinusitis and hearing loss. Right? Let's move on to the next type of doctor, endocrinologist. This doctor specializes in hormones. They treat endocrine system disorders like diabetes, and they manages thyroid problems and hormonal imbalances. The next type of doctor, neurologist. The neurologist is a doctor who deals with nerve system disorders, specializes in brain and spinal cord issues, and they addresses conditions such as epilepsy and multiple sclerosis. Right? Let's move on to the next type of doctor, psychiatrist. Psychiatrist diagnoses and treats mental health conditions. They provide therapy and medication management, and they also help with the depression, anxiety, and bipolar disorders. Alright, so let's move on to the next type of doctor. Friends, if this video is helping you, then please do support us by liking and subscribing our channel. Let's continue. Pulmonologist. This doctor focuses on respiratory system, respiratory health. They diagnoses and treats lung conditions, manages asthma and sleep apnea. The next type of doctor, here we go, urologist. Urologist is a doctor who handles urinary tract and male reproductive system disorders. They addresses kidney, bladder and prostate issues, and it treats kidney stones and erectile dysfunction. The next type of doctor is gastroenterologist. Gastroenterologist doctors diagnoses and treats digestive system problems. They focuses on stomach, intestine and liver, and they manages conditions like Crohn's disease and ulcers. The next type of doctor, here we go, rheumatologist. This type of doctor is specializes in autoimmune and inflammatory diseases. They addresses joint and soft tissue issues, and they help with arthritis, lupus and fibromyalgia. Right? So let's move on to the next type of doctor, oncologist. Oncologists are the cancer specialist. They diagnoses, treats and manages cancer patients, and they administers chemotherapy and radiation therapy. Let's move on to the next type of doctor, allergist or immunologist. These doctors diagnoses and treats allergies and immune system disorders, conducts allergy testing and desensitization, and they manages allergies to pollen, food and insect stings. Let's move on to the next type of doctor, nephrologist. Nephrologist focuses on kidneys health and they treat kidneys diseases. They also manage conditions like kidney failure and hypertension. Let's move on to the next type of doctor, geriatrician. Geriatrician provides specialized care for the elderly persons. They address unique health needs of seniors, and they also manage age-related conditions and dementia. Let's move on to the next type of doctor, anesthesiologist. Anesthesiologist is a doctor who administers anesthesia during surgeries, monitors patients' vital signs, and ensures pain management and comfort during procedures. Let's move on to the next type of doctor, radiologist. Radiologist is a doctor who interprets the medical images like X-rays, MRIs, CT scans, etc. And they also aid in diagnosis, and they provide critical information for treatment decisions. Let's move on to the next type of doctor. And if this video is helping you, then please do support us by liking and subscribing our channel. Let's continue. Emergency medicine physician. These doctors work in emergency rooms. They're trained to handle urgent and critical medical situations. They handle trauma, heart attacks, life-threatening emergencies. Right? Let's move on to the next type of doctor, hematologist. Hematologist is a doctor who specializes in the blood disorders and conditions. They addresses anemia and blood cancers, and they also manage diseases like leukemia and sickle cell anemia. Let's move on to the next type of doctor, infectious disease specialist. These are the doctors who are expert in diagnosing and treating infectious diseases. They cover viral and bacterial infections. They manages conditions like HIV, AIDS and tuberculosis. Let's move on to the next type of doctor, pain management specialist. They help patients to manage chronic pain. They utilizes various treatment and therapies. They focuses on improving the quality of life for chronic pain sufferers, chronic pain patients. Right? The next type of doctor is Sports medicine physician. These doctor work with athletes, okay, sports people. They prevent and treat sports related injuries. They provide exercise recommendations and injury rehabilitation. The next type of doctor, interventional radiologist. These doctors uses imaging guidance for minimally invasive procedures. They address various medical conditions and they perform procedures like angioplasty and stent placement. The next type of doctor is plastic surgeon. Plastic surgeon perform cosmetic and reconstructive surgeries. They enhances or restores appearance and they offer procedures like facelift. Next type of doctor is dental surgeon or oral and maxillofacial surgeon. This doctor performs surgeries on the mouth, teeth and jaws. They addresses issues like impacted wisdom teeth and jaw injuries. The next type of doctor is naturopathic doctor. This doctor focuses on holistic and natural healthcare. They emphasize diet, lifestyle, and herbal treatments. They promote natural healing and preventive care. So friends, hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, then please do support us by liking and subscribing our channel. And even please share this with your friends as well. So thank you so much for watching. Have a great time.